No, a bit longer. You might as well do all day. And I'll give you... Yeah, I've got it here. He ain't spending money. He'll moan at me now, won't we, on this route? Hey? That way.
All right.
Angle Tarn.
Yeah, nice up there, isn't it?
Yeah, I went last week, but he's not been, this lad.
It was a bit hot last week, wasn't
Yeah, well, last Wednesday, it was red hot.
it? Yeah. I was here Thursday, Friday, I think, last week.
Yeah.
I was baking, wasn't it?
Was it another 150, mate?
Yeah, that's it, buddy.
Yeah, thank you very
Just
much.
put that in the windscreen.
Cheers.
Yeah, brilliant. Thank you very much. All right, bye.
What a difference a week makes. We came along here last week. It was between 28 and 31 degrees. Today it's overcast. Going up there into the clouds. It's a lot cooler, so the walking should be much easier. I've got a different walking partner today. Here he is. He's not as fast as Messi last week, so it should make it a little bit easier for me. He's going to get his city badge in. Look at that. Champions of England, but not Europe, not yet. Right, so we're heading along here. It doesn't look so far when you stood here, but it's quite a bit of a distance. I'm going to go up left up there. But these hills up here, the first one is called Loft Crag. It stands at 682 metres. And the second peak there is Pike or Stickle, and that is 709 metres high. All right. Yeah.
Oh, drink of water.
It's warming up now, but it's not too bad. Nice bit of sunlight down there, hitting the valley floor. Hiya. Is it alright if I film you walking past? We're working for BBC undercover. John Craven. He's got a couple of free drinks up there.
Oh, wonderful. I'll keep going then.
So even though the sun's not out, it's peeking through a little bit.
Yeah.
It's still quite warm now, isn't it?
It is, yeah, it's muggy.
If you can see ahead, you can see what's coming out there. Up ahead, where the people are. And around the back. Doing all right. Doing all right.
Oh yeah, look where he's just gone behind.
Yeah,
you.
behind that.
I'll get you now, yeah.
Yeah, it's not so bad that, is it?
Then does it drop a bit or keeps going up a bit?
It keeps going up.
Yeah, yeah.
But this is his fourth walk, and I've got to say, his fitness, miles better. Can you feel fitter, honestly? You do? Do you?
Not panting as much quite yet.
Yeah. Stop here at this little boulder and have a drink. Whew. Ooh. Tastes a bit funny this today. I think my daughter might have poisoned it. It doesn't taste right. Tastes like a bit of bleach in it. Unless I've not washed it out from last week. I might not have washed it out properly. So this is the valley we came down along. And up here, Esk House. At the top is another view of Loft Crag. And that is Pike, a Stickle. And then at the bottom, that area there, apparently, according to Google, is called Stake Gill. Just having a quick breather. This part here is like the Hillary step on Everest. It's our version of it. Waiting in line to move up.
Yeah.
Our next stop will be hopefully where them two people are. We'll probably move by the time we get there. Oh. Hello.
Hello.
Ooh, ooh. So we've just got to follow this path around, across to where the people in the white, and then double back round through the gap up there. There he is, Chris Bonington.
Kiss my ass.
It's hard to get the scale of these hills on this camera, because when you look along this path and along to where the people are up there, they look like little ants, and you think, oh, I'm never going to get up there. But it's only about 5 or 6 minutes to there. Granted, on a steep climb, and it's not easy, a lot of it's all psychological in your head. And today, I'm feeling pretty positive and strong. Just got a little bit of a steep bit now. And we'll come across the top. And then I'll treat him to a fig roll. Do you want a fig roll, son?
Oh, banana.
You can have a banana. What a difference you got that sun beating down on your back. Stunning. Feeling good today. Feeling good. Stronger. I think it's because, one, I'm going at a slower pace. Two, it's not as hot. Three, I was a little bit malnourished last week on my diet, and not making excuses, my legs were a little bit wobbly, and I just had that attitude, throwing the towel. I didn't do it. I could have done it. I could have got to the top of there last week. It wasn't because I couldn't do it, my legs had gone, it was just in my head. And I'll prove it today, because I'm going to go up there. But first of all, I'm going to go down to the Tarn, which we didn't do last week. So I'm going to go right down to the Tarn and then right to the top of Rossett Gill. Yeah. He says he's at the top. I says, yeah, it's the top of this bit, but not the top of where we're going. Oh, I sat here last week, remember? If you watched my video. Come on, son. 20 metres. This is what I see his face now when he comes through that little gap there. And to get to that tarn, you've got to go up there. There he is.
Oh yeah.
This is the false summit.
Well, this was what we were achieving. That's what you did last time.
No.
You liar.
Sit down here.
Oh, nice one, boss. Oh.
That's the top there.
Where?
Just up that path.
Oh.
And then the little tarn's there. But that's easy going up there.
Right.
So have a bit of a rest here. Not sausage.
No, mate, honestly.
So I'm having a fig roll. What about this for a diet? A fig roll, a Cumberland sausage, and some fruit and nut. He's got a banana. Oh, bananas are good, aren't they?
Yeah, good for tennis players. They're good enough for them.
So you did well there. What, out of the 4 you've done, that worked the hardest, was it now? You not think?
I didn't feel the hardest because I didn't stop.
You're getting
as much.
fitter.
Mm.
But
Struggled toward the end, but at least I didn't sit on my arse too much.
yeah, you did well. Right, look at the camera. Do a thumbs up or something, or at least if your eyes are open.
Yeah.
Bit of mist coming in there. Just this final little bit to the summit when we can see Angle Tarn. Now to the left here, which I would imagine up there, is called Pike, which stands at a height of 885 metres. And then in the distance over there is Crags, which is 784 metres. And then down below is Angle Tarn. So we're heading down now to Angle Tarn. God, it is black, that water, isn't it?
Yeah. It's cold today, but
It's clear as out.
yeah, it's not just a bit black, but cold. It's not that big a tarn though, is it?
No.
It's me a coffee.
It's coming in that now.
Yeah. Oh, we sat here. It would be fucking.
So Nigel's heading back to the little rest spot and I'm going up. The walk I couldn't make last week. Beautiful views. He said it was five minutes at the top. And I think he's going to be right. I don't even think it's going to be 5. Like that Filipino girl, pretty, eh? Great sense of humour. There's old Nigel down there. Yo! Can you see the clouds coming in? We're talking to an old Indian guy and he said it's going to rain. Oh, that bridge is beautiful. Almost at the top. Someone's up here. All right. Look at the view down there. There's Nigel down there. I can see him. Enjoyed that. Nothing of an effort. I went right to the end. So I'll head back now to Nigel and let's get back down the valley and head back towards the Dungeon Gill. There's a guy coming along now, he ain't got any shoes on, and he's walked all down this pathway like we have with no shoes. I'm going to show you him, you don't believe me, do you?
Enjoy.